The perfect boiled egg is a thing of beauty. Whether you like them runny or firm, the yolk should be a deep yellow and the white should be cooked through, but still bouncy. Follow our step-by-step guide, and you'll be rewarded with eggs that are just right every time. The most important thing to remember, when boiling eggs, is that freshness matters. The fresher the egg, the better it will taste, and the easier it will be to get the perfect result. If you can, buy your eggs from a local farm, or farmer's market. If you're using older eggs, it's best to give them a gentle poke with a sharp knife before cooking, to check that the yolk is still nice and firm. If it's starting to look a bit runny, it's better to use it for something else. The next step is to choose the right size pot. You want the eggs to have enough room to move around a bit, but you don't want them to be swimming in water. A good rule of thumb is to use about 1 quart of water for every 4 eggs. Bring the pot of water to a boil, then carefully lower in the eggs. If you're using a lot of eggs, you may need to do this in batches. Once the eggs are in the water, set a timer for 3 minutes for soft-boiled eggs, or 5 minutes for hard-boiled eggs. While the eggs are cooking, prepare an ice bath. This is just a bowl of cold water with some ice cubes in it. When the timer goes off, carefully remove the eggs from the pot with a slotted spoon, and place them in the ice bath. Let them sit for a few minutes to cool down, then peel and enjoy. If you're not eating the eggs right away, you can store them in the fridge for up to a week. Hard-boiled eggs will keep for a few days longer than soft-boiled eggs. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there will be more meaningful and valuable tips coming after this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the video's comment section. And thank you very much for watching.